Most people spend their entire life saving money, working hard, cutting expenses, putting every dollar in their bank account, thinking they are building wealth. But here's the brutal truth nobody tells you. Saving money alone will never make you rich. And by the end of this video, I'm going to show you exactly why and what you should be doing instead. Stay until the end, because the last part will completely change how you think about money forever. Let's start with saving. Saving is simply putting your money aside in a safe place, like a bank account or savings account, where it slowly grows with interest. It feels safe, it feels smart, and for short-term goals, it is smart. But here's the problem nobody talks about. The average savings account gives you around 0.39% interest per year. Meanwhile, inflation, the rising cost of everything around you, is running at 2.7% right now. That means every single year, your saved money is actually losing value. Think about that. You work hard, you save money, and your money is slowly dying in your bank account. Saving is like parking your car in a garage. It stays safe, but it goes nowhere. Now let's talk about investing. Investing means putting your money into assets like stocks, index funds, or real estate that grow over time. The S&P 500, which tracks the 500 biggest companies in America, has returned an average of 10% per year historically. Compare that to your savings account at 0.39%. Let me show you what that difference actually means in real money. If you put $10,000 in a savings account, after 30 years, you'd have around $13,000. But if you invested that same $10,000, after 30 years at 10% returns, you'd have over $174,000. Same money, same 30 years, but investing made you over 13 times richer. Investing is like driving your car. Yes, there are bumps in the road, but you actually reach your destination. Here's something even more shocking. You don't need a lot of money to start investing. A 25-year-old investing just $300 per month at 8% average returns would have over $1 million by age 65. They only actually put in $144,000 of their own money. The rest, over $856,000, came from compound growth. That is the secret the wealthy understand that most people don't. Your money can work for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, while you sleep, while you eat, while you live your life. But right now, the average American saves only 4.7% of their income, far below the recommended 15 to 20% needed to build real wealth. Most people are not even saving enough, let alone investing. So back to the big question, saving or investing, which one makes you rich? The honest answer is you need both, but for completely different reasons. Here's the simple rule. Save for short-term goals and emergencies. Invest for long-term wealth and financial freedom. Think of it like this. Saving is your safety net. Investing is your wealth engine. You need a safety net so that when life hits you, a job loss, a medical bill, a car breakdown, you don't have to sell your investments at the wrong time. Most financial experts recommend saving 3 to 6 months of expenses as your emergency fund first. Once that safety net is built, every extra dollar should be working for you through investing. Because money sitting in a bank account is money that is slowly losing its power every single day. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds great, but I have no money to invest. Here's the truth. You don't need thousands of dollars to start. You can start investing with as little as $10 or $20 per week. The most important thing is not how much you start with, it's when you start. Every single day you wait is a day of compound growth you lose forever. Here are 3 simple steps to start right now. Step 1, build a small emergency fund first, even just 1 month of expenses. Step 2, open a beginner investment account. Apps like Fidelity, Vanguard, or even Robinhood let you start with almost nothing. Step 3, start investing consistently, even $20 per week, and never stop. That's it. No complicated strategies, no secret formula. Just start, stay consistent, and let time do the work for you. So remember, saving keeps you safe. Investing makes you wealthy. You need both, but most people only do one. Now you know the secret the wealthy have been using for decades. The only question is, are you going to use it? If this video opened your eyes, hit that subscribe button, because every week on Money Unmasked, we reveal the money secrets nobody teaches you. I'll see you in the next one.